Get reviews or features highlight before select Horrizonix 4K mirror dash cam. Why you choose Horrizonix 4K mirror dash cam. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. A rearview mirror dash cam can provide you peace of mind while driving and act as a legal record if you get into an accident. However, determining which dashcam rear-view mirror is appropriate for you might be difficult. Horrizonix HAX9i1F digital rear-view mirror is a solution to your problem. This dashcam mirror mount is a crucial helper for you. Horrizonix's mirror dashcam 4K provides 24-hour protection for your vehicle. Video rear-view mirror 4K parking monitor and G-sensor capture everything even when the vehicle is turned off. Car mirror camera boasts a 170 degrees front and 140 degrees back lens that provides an ultra-wide view of your surroundings. Rear-view camera mirror is useful features, such as reversing help and a low reflectivity LCD, make it an excellent reverse mirror addition to your vehicle. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.